Good morning, guys. So today we're going to move on to surface area. So we've been talking about working out the area of different 2D shapes, and now we look at surface area. So I've drawn some wonderful 3D shapes, check it out. And because of coronavirus, I've got a nice tissue box over here, and it's got Preston's name on it. Preston, you are featured in the video. So when I look at this, we know this is a rectangular prism. So it's a rectangle and it's a 3D shape. When we talk about surface area, we want to know on the surface of that shape, what is the total area? So I then would have to work out the area of every single side. So I'd work out the area of this side, this face, by going length times breadth. I'd work out the surface area of the area of this surface over here by going length times breadth. I'd work out the area of this surface over here by going length times breadth. This surface, all the surfaces. So in a quad, you've normally got about 6 surfaces over there. Over here, you can see my cube. And if I was holding a cube, it would also have 6 surfaces. So I would have to work out every single surface's area and then add them all together. Now over here, I've got a cylinder. Ooh, that's a well-drawn cylinder. So on a cylinder, you've got a circle over here, that's one face. There's a circle at the bottom that is usually the same as the one at the top. And of course, you have one rectangle surface going all around. So you'd have 3 surfaces that you have to work out the area and then add them up. All right, and here I've got a square-based pyramid, the same, square at the bottom, triangle, 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 work out the area of each one and add them up. So essentially, surface area, we're looking at what is the total area of every single side of that 3D shape added together. Surface area has only got to do with 3D shapes. Okay, so here I've got my happy birthday Dada mug. If this was sealed at the top, we know that this would be a cylinder. So if I was going to work out the surface area of this cup over here, I'd have to work out the area of the circle at the bottom. I'd have to work out the area of the circle at the top, and then of course the rectangle going around the side. I have to work that out. We're not going to worry about cylinders just yet because of the circle aspect of it, but we are going to focus on shapes that have got squares, rectangles, and triangles for now, because obviously we know for a rectangle and a square, the formula is length times breadth, and the formula for the area of a triangle is half base times perpendicular height. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to give you some very basic ones that I'd like you to try and work out the surface area of these 3D shapes. So remember, it's the area of every single face of that object added together. All right, all the best, guys.